channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a fun collaboration with 3 other amazing artists, and we're doing our Dutch pours around the world. It's kind of cool that we're doing so there's 4 of us all together. Sorry, I have my phone out here so I can remember where everybody is from. One of the artists is one of my great friends, Rose from RoseM Creations. She's from Massachusetts. And then we have Meg from Maggie's Art Lab, and she's from Austria. Then we have Gladys Kiplimo Art. Sorry, Gladys, if I'm saying your last name wrong, I do apologize. She's from Kenya. And then me from Lincoln, Nebraska. But we're all going to do Dutch pours. And it's going to be fun because it's a little bit of a challenge. So we each pick 2 colors apiece. Which is kind of fun because we got some colors here that is going to be really cool to see how they turn out. So Gladys picked Iridescent, Blue, Violet, and Purple. Meg selected Quinacridone, Nickel, Azo Gold, or an Orange if we don't have it, and then a Bronze. I picked Dioxazine Violet and Gold. And then Rose chose Turquoise and Pearl White. Any size canvas. We have to use white or black for the base. And then just the Dutch pour. So the colors I'm using Artist Flow Acrylic White for my base. I'm using Dioxazine Violet Hue. Deco Arts Metallic 24 Karat Gold. I'm using Deco Arts Pearl White. Arteza's, this is Pearl Papaya Orange, but I did mix a little bit of the Artist Loft Neon Orange. I mixed the 2 of those together just to get a little bit of brightness. I'm using Blick Acrylics Turquoise. I didn't really have a bronze. Well, I mean, I have a bronze, but it's the Master's Touch bronze. I bought these like a long time ago. I haven't even used them for quite some time. And then for the Blue Violet, I'm using Folk Arts Color Shift Blue Violet Flash. I'm super excited about that. Yeah, so this is going to be a really fun collaboration. I don't do a lot of Dutch pours. So, I'm kind of excited to see how this turns out.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you.
All right, I think I'm done. Definitely not the Dutch pour person. This is not good. I mean, I like it now. It's fun that I wispied it all out and added some more color to it, but yeah, I'm definitely not Dutch pour. Nothing. But it was fun. It was a fun challenge. The colors are beautiful together. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of funky, and I like how I got all these cells and all these little wispies coming out. Like I think that's pretty cool. Definitely different, not your average just blown out Dutch pour, but it's really pretty. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. Yeah, I like it. Pretty funky. All right, I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. Okay, so bring it down for a close-up. I think it's pretty. It's funky, it's wispy. The colors are beautiful. I got some pretty cool cells and lacing in there. I think that's really cool. Like I said, it's not your average Dutch pour, but that's okay. Look at that. Looks like a scary face. Like a monster, and he has something in his mouth. It's crazy. It's so cool how you find stuff in your paintings. Just look at those colors, are pretty. You guys have to tell me what you think. I want to thank the other three ladies for doing the collaboration with me. This is a fun challenge. Definitely a challenge for me, for sure. Just the Dutch pour in itself. But I like it. It's kind of funky. Yeah, it's cool. You have to tell me what you think. I will have a link in the description for the other ladies' channel. Rose is up next, and then Meg, and then Gladys. Please check them out. They're all really amazing artists from all over the world, so their times are pretty crazy. So please show them some love and support for this collaboration. I do appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed watching me try to fix Dutch pour to where it was something cool. But yeah. But anyway, I do appreciate you guys for watching. And I hope everybody is healthy and safe from COVID. And yeah, have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. And go see Rose. She's up next. Bye.